Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best Allen wrench sets review. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing, considering features, pricing quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Starting at number 5, the warmtree scene piece. Folding Allen wrench set is a compact and versatile solution for both home repairs and professional tasks. Crafted from durable chrome vanadium steel, it offers enhanced torque resistance and long-lasting performance. This set includes a wide range of metric and SAE sizes, making it suitable for various applications such as automotive work, bike maintenance, and furniture assembly. The foldable design allows easy access to tight spaces while keeping the tools neatly organized. An ergonomic non-slip handle provides improved grip and added leverage, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Precision-machined hex tips ensure a secure fit, helping to prevent stripping and damage to fasteners. With a convenient dual-pack design, you can keep one set at home and another on the go, making it a practical addition to any toolbox. Number 4. The AMTOVL 11-piece 3-way T-handle. Hex Allen key wrench set is designed for precision, versatility, and efficient performance in demanding tasks. Made from durable chrome vanadium steel, each wrench is built to handle high-torque applications with ease. The set includes metric sizes from 2 mm to 10 mm, covering a wide range of repair and maintenance needs. Its innovative sliding 3-way design allows quick adjustment between L-shaped and T-shaped configurations, providing better leverage and flexible access in tight spaces. A free spinning collar enhances speed, making fastening and loosening smoother and faster. The included magnetizer adds convenience by preventing screws from slipping during use. With high visibility size markings and a sturdy wall-mountable storage rack, this set keeps tools organized and easy to access, making it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Number 3. The AMTOVL 27-piece Hex Keys Set is a comprehensive and versatile toolkit designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Made from hardened, heat-treated chrome vanadium steel and S2 material, it ensures excellent durability and long-lasting performance. This set includes metric, SAE, and Torx sizes, covering a wide range of applications from electronics and bicycles to automotive and machinery repairs. The long and short arm design provides extended reach and improved leverage, making it easier to work in tight or deep spaces. A ball head design allows up to a 25-degree angle entry, offering greater flexibility during use. The included torque handle delivers extra force for loosening or tightening tough fasteners with less effort. Clear size markings and a convenient storage bag keep everything organized, making this set a reliable and efficient addition to any toolbox. Number 2. The MAXPOWER 27-piece Allen wrench set is a complete and versatile solution for handling a wide range of repair and maintenance tasks. Crafted from durable chrome vanadium steel, this set ensures strength, reliability, and long-lasting performance. It includes 7 commonly used sizes across SAE, metric, and Torx, making it suitable for everything from bicycles and furniture to automotive and equipment repairs. The extra long arm design provides extended reach and improved leverage, while the ball head tips allow up to a 25-degree angle for easier access in tight or awkward spaces. An included torque handle adds extra power, helping you loosen or tighten fasteners with less effort. Each key is clearly color-coded and size-marked for quick identification. Designed for comfort and efficiency, this set is ideal for both professionals and DIY users looking for dependable performance. Number 1. The NordWolf 9-piece T-handle metric Allen wrench set is a durable and versatile toolkit designed for precision and efficiency. Made from industrial-grade S2 steel, each key is heat-treated for superior hardness, strength, and wear resistance, offering long-lasting performance. The extra long arms provide higher torque, while the ball end design allows up to a 25-degree entry angle, making it easy to reach fasteners in tight or awkward spaces. Ergonomically designed T-handles deliver added comfort and leverage, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. A high-visibility textured finish ensures a secure grip, and black chrome plating on the long arms protects against corrosion, covering popular metric sizes from 2 mm to 10 mm. This set is ideal for car and bicycle repairs, electronics, furniture assembly, and more. It comes neatly organized in a reusable storage box for easy access and transport.